Parang every Monday, tinatamad ka na, ayaw mo nang pumasok. You're looking to do something that has purpose. Meet pre-pandemic Adrian. So, bago ako mag-join na Manulife, yan si Adrian. During those time na hindi pa ako Manulife advisor, I don't have goals, I don't have values, I have a lot of unhealthy habits na ginagawa during those times. Then feeling ko wala akong direction. Di ko alam ano bang purpose ko. 'Di ba? Sa ginagawa ko. Then napakarami kong vices noon. So before I joined Manulife, yan ako. And probably nakikita ko naman kayo, mga gaganda at gwapo kayo dito. Hindi naman ganito yung tsura nyo, pero probably baka one of those reasons, meron kayong reason why you join here. Maaring about finances. Let's say, di na kasya yung kinikita natin, you want to find something na pwede pa mag-add ng additional income.